Hey guys, welcome back to ZachBlog. Today, we're going to take a look at one of my own designs. Actually, the first design I've uploaded to Thingiverse. So, I remember way back, one of my friends had a giant push pin. Probably a little bigger than this, but oh well. I've never come across one in a store, and I looked on Thingiverse, and there wasn't really an accurately modeled one that I could find. So, I designed my own, and it's available for download. You can download it from Thingiverse, the link will be in the description. And I got a time lapse of this one. So, let's go! Alright, so here's our glow-in-the-dark push pin. That is awesome. So let's pull off the supports. And the wrap. And yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna get these supports out. Printed the other one upside down. I'm just going to take this up to the drill press and drill this out. We'll come back. Okay, so I've gone upstairs to the drill press and cleaned that hole out a bit. Also printed off the insert. That fits right in there. So now we're going to take a nail, put it through the insert, and put the whole thing in there. But that leaves the nail a bit wobbly. So I'm going to mix up a little bit of this 2-part epoxy and epoxy it in there. And we'll be back in just a second. Okay, so I'm just going to take some of this epoxy, mixed it up here for a few minutes now. I'll put a little bit inside the insert, put the nail back through there, and wipe that off a little bit. Take some more epoxy on here, and just put it on the insert. Just a nice thin coating. It doesn't have to be excessive. This fits pretty snugly in there. Press fit that in there again. Gather all the extra I have here, which really isn't much, and try and get it to go in there. I'm just going to hold that for a minute, let the epoxy set up. So after a few minutes, the epoxy is hardened, and we have our giant push pin. I think this one's actually got the longest nail. I didn't have all the same kind of nails. It's in there good, it's not moving at all, and it's a giant push pin. Alright, Alright guys, so that's been a quick look at my giant pushpin design. Again, the link's in the description if you want to download it. It's available on Thingiverse. If you do print one of your own, click that I made one button, let me know. I guess that's pretty much it. I've got a Patreon account, so if you guys want to support the channel, there's a link in the description to that. I guess like it if you dislike. Like it if you disliked. Sure. Like if you liked it. Dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment. Subscribe. All that YouTube stuff. Have a good one, guys.